Hello, Ian. Ron Hilton here with Palm Valley Insurance with a little quick video quote of the 3 quotes I'm sending you for the Progressive Bundle package for home, auto, and umbrella. So as you can see on your screen here is your current policy coverages with deductibles listed here, $465, which is, we know it's more than you're currently paying. And then when we add the home bundle, the home bundle comes in at $539, and when you review this quote, you're going to see that we've increased personal liability to $500,000. Okay, and there's your deductible for hurricane and all other perils. And like I said, we can look at playing with these deductibles if you want to lower a lower deductible, but it will cost a little bit more premium, but not that much. And then we have the umbrella. And that's $163, and this is for a premises only umbrella. And what that means is this liability coverage only applies to your home. So if you want the umbrella to cover more than the home, like when you're away or if something happens at another site, you can do that, and it would be $31 more than you see here at the $163. So I'll follow up with a phone call tomorrow, and we'll chat about putting this bundle together for you. Thanks. Good night.